Hello guys, welcome on my floor. Today I've got something really special for me. This is my new cold air intake system, which is going to be installed in my Mitsubishi Colt. Video to come. Cold air intake system shortens the path air has to travel into your engine. Also, these cotton filters are much less restrictive compared to traditional paper filters. This kit should improve throttle response and deliver more air into combustion chamber. More air equals more power. That's the fear. I went on forums, googled many charts and found out that these cold air intake systems should improve the performance by about 5 horsepower. It's not much, but you know, every little improvement is an improvement, right? Traditional intake system consists of many resonance chambers, so it's heavy and restrictive. Also makes your car quiet and polite. Nobody wants that, at least I don't. So this is more of a sound mode than performance mode. But people spend their money on much more stupid things, I'd say, such as crackling exhausts and fake turbo sounds, right? I think I bothered you enough, so let's void this shipping warranty and take a look inside, shall we? So first, there is some protection foam, some mounting brackets and hardware. It feels really good quality, really solid piece of metal. Well, seems it was worth the money. Then there is a tubing which you can bend or extend a bit. Then there is your manual with instructions. I hope this will be simple enough so I can do it. And finally, the filter itself. Wow, this thing is really good quality. I love it. And it's huge! Look at this monster. It's like 20 centimeters. This has like twice the surface area of my stock air filter. Wow, it's bananas. Then there is some cardboard and stickers. Woohoo! Everyone knows each sticker is 10 extra horsepower. So this kit, wow, really worth the money. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will probably film another video with this in my car, show you sound before and after, and also make an installation guide.